welcome to another vlog. I'm in the bus और ये बस मुझे न्यूयॉर्क के डिफरेंट फेमस स्पॉट्स पे लेके जाएगी जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर भी करूँगी और रिकॉर्ड भी करूँगी. So today is a very windy day and it was also raining. अभी थोड़ा सा रुक गया है but it's gonna be a fun day. So stay tuned and have fun with me. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. I'm loving it. So I'm on the way to Brooklyn Bridge.
Grab some change, help the home.
This is beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. So I'm on the way to Brooklyn Bridge and we're gonna see the Brooklyn Bridge today. I can't believe. So arrived to Brooklyn Bridge जहाँ पर कल होना की शूटिंग हुई थी. इतनी ज़्यादा सर्दी है. I'm not able to talk. But see कितना खूबसूरत है ये. I'm living my Indian dream. कल होना. It's lovely. So here I'm living my dream and I'm at Brooklyn Bridge and I just can't believe my eyes. Thanks to Almighty God. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त व्यू है, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त. See, it's magical. It's magical. So signing off from Brooklyn Bridge. It was wonderful to be here. Dreams do come true if you believe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.